Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to 47AppSt. If this is your first time here, let me show you how to get started. Ready? Let's go. Once you click on the Access Your Account link, you will be brought to the App Designer. If this is your first time here, click on Sign Up and fill out the form. This will give you instant access to our system. We already have an account set up, so we are just going to use the Sign In section. Next, we are going to create a new application. Add an application name and click Create. Here you will see the app building system. It is first going to ask you to choose a template. We have several to choose from. Don't worry, you can always change it later if you so desire. We are going to choose the Rush Cafe template for now. Now we are going to choose our layout. You can use any layout with any of the templates. Again, you can change your layout as well anytime you want to. For this demonstration, we are going to choose the number 9 layout for our app. Now for the fun part, by clicking on Features on the left menu bar, or on the top of screen, you will see all the features available for your app. Please note, Pro and White Label accounts have several more features than the free account. These squares that are on top is what is on your app, all the blue ones below are features you can add. You can sort the ones on top or simply delete them. By clicking on them, you can manage what it does. The phone on the right will show you what your app will look like as you build it. This is the easiest app building system on the planet, as you do not need to know how to code. This drag and drop system is so easy, a grade school child can build apps. Once you are done, click on the publication link on the left side. Let me show you how easy it is to get your files built. Here you will see a red button that says Ready? Publish my app. Click it and it will bring up a billing system. Make sure all of your information is filled out, scroll to the bottom and click Save. You will see there is no charge to build your app. Click the I agree box then on the Validate button. Now your app is ready to build. Go back and click Manage next to your app. Next click on Publication once more. Scroll to the bottom and you will see where you can build the APK for an Android device, and where you can build iOS files. Both will show pending, as our system creates your apps. You will get an email once they are ready. You then come back to this same spot and download your files. And there you go, we just built an app in about 3 minutes. See how easy that was to do. Now get out there and see what you can do.